Press release DEP, operator of PlayMining GameFi platform, launches continuous buyback program for its $DEP token, Deapcoin. Starting this month, DEP will continuously buy back DEP worth up to 40% of DEP's sales. Digital Entertainment Asset, DEP, a Singapore-based global Web3 entertainment company and operator of the PlayMining GameFi platform, has announced the launch of its $DEP buyback program. The company will continuously buy back its own Deapcoin, $DEP, crypto token in order to sustainably increase the token's value. DEP will use up to 40% of its own sales, but not including DEP sales from its gaming platform PlayMining to fund the buyback. Through the $DEP buyback program, we aim to increase the value of $DEP tokens over the medium to long term, said DEP co-founder and co-CEO, Naohito Yoshida. This will help us stabilize the PlayMining ecosystem and return profits to DEP holders. The program starts January 2023, with specific timing and buyback amounts to be determined based on market trends and the condition of the PlayMining economy. Details will be published via white paper at a later date. Growing the PlayMining GameFi platform. The current PlayMining GameFi catalog features a number of casual play and earn (P&D) NFT games, including Job Tribes, Cook and Burger, Menu Dragon Rayman, Graffiti Racer and Lucky Farmer. More games are scheduled to launch this year, and a metaverse initiative is also in the works. Players can earn $DEP by playing these games, which can be used in many ways. $DEP can be sold back to PlayMining, traded on popular exchanges, or used to purchase NFTs on the PlayMining NFT marketplace. $DEP has the distinction of being the first P&D token officially approved by Japan's financial service agency. The NFT marketplace hosts artwork from popular Japanese anime and video game creators as well as NFTs that can be used in all of the Web3 games on the PlayMining platform. Notably, DEP pays royalties to both official and fan art creators on their NFT marketplace, with $9 million in royalties having been paid out over the past 2 years. DEP has a mission to create a fair distribution platform for creators. In addition to creating their own Web3 games, DEP partners with third-party game studios to launch NFT games on the PlayMining platform. This gives small game developers a significant advantage. By integrating $DEP into their games, it becomes possible to sell NFTs directly on the PlayMining NFT marketplace and later to develop metaverse projects related to their game, thereby opening up new monetization strategies for their intellectual property, IP. It can be notoriously hard for small game studios to monetize their IPs, said DEP's other co-founder and co-CEO Kozo Yamada. The biggest distributors such as Nintendo and Apple take a huge cut from every sale, but our fees are much more reasonable. Through the empowerment of Web3 technology, we aim to build a GameFi library that rivals Nintendo. DEP recently celebrated a number of big successes at the tail end of 2022, having secured $10 million investment from LDA Capital and a minority investment from Rakuten Capital. They also signed strategic Web3 partnerships with Rakuten Group and IG and entered into a business alliance with TV Tokyo. All of these wins will serve to help PlayMining expand their GameFi platform. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you can always be updated with my videos. Thanks for watching.